If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, Larry here, and welcome back to my show. Pinmail show, that is. Are you ready to see what's in this box? So am I. Let's do it. I have no idea what it is. Maybe it's a nib, right?
Oh, it's rather small for a pen.
Yeah. Because I know I've ordered some nibs. Yep, it's my nibs. Yep. What I got here, my friends, are some Lamy nibs. Yes. I do love Lamy fountain pens. For me, they write great. And I got the 1.1 nib. But I got two of them. I must have made a mistake and ordered two of the 1.1s. Oh, there's an extra pad, easy to install and protect. Maybe they just threw one in. Cool. But anyway, that's it. Yeah, I've been wanting to try the 1.1s. I have the 1.5s. So, the 1.1s, I need to check out. Okay? Well, that's all it is. It's not a big mail call, but for me, it's a huge mail call because it's a nib. Heart of a pen. Take care. God bless. Be safe and all that good jazz. Peace, my brothers. Love you. Be kind to the strangers out. And as always, don't text. That means pick up your phone and drive. Peace out.